Hi everyone, I wanted to do a quick video just regarding with obviously everything going on with Coronavirus and just a perspective. Obviously, a lot of you know I'm a big fan of some of the tech stocks, and well, let's talk about how to keep calm financially anyway during this outbreak. And it's a good reminder that there are benefits to long-term holdings in quality companies like Amazon. And anybody who's watched my webinars will know I keep banging on about quality companies that I like based on valuations, based on revenue growth, and so on and so forth. Or just in the case of Amazon, based on sharp elbows that they can just outspend and run to the ground anybody else and hire labor at ridiculously low cost. All very amoral or immoral, you might even say. Anyway, the point is, if you like it for the long term, then that's fine, but nobody likes to watch the value of their portfolio drop, myself included, when we have something like this going on. And you will know that I, for a long time, have had a strategy of shorting Amazon in the short term. For instance, this is our pipspredator indicator. You'll be familiar with. The red line shows where the sell signal is. It's over there. Our multiple indicators that we look at. Don't forget, we don't look at just that. We look at multiple indicators across multiple time frames. That's the second most important thing we look at, and a degree of price confirmation. The prices have fallen in our favor. That's the third item, combined with a degree of pattern recognition. Okay, so put all that to one side. What that gives us is this short trade, and that gives us profits. Well, what do we do with those profits? Well, one of the things we do with those profits is, as this falls lower, we will at some stage buy and add to our long-term holding. Not only that, it's helped pay for our long-term holding to date anyway. So how do we keep calm during something like Coronavirus? We look at the long-term equities that we particularly like. I've discussed them on my private Telegram channel for apprentices. If you don't know how to get to it, look at useful links on pipspredator.com. And then we've looked to short those, the ones that we really like. Why would you short sell, i.e. sell at a high price and buy back cheaper those stocks that you like for the long term? Because we continue our long-term holding. This just generates some quick short-term profits to pay for the long-term holdings, which then eventually become completely free. So imagine if the value of your long-term holdings does drop a little bit. You think to yourself, well, I paid for all these anyway. They're free. And if they're falling, I'll short-term short them in any event and make a return that way. So that's probably one way to survive these falls and what's happening currently in the markets. I'm not quite saying that we're going to throw a party about market falls, but what I am saying is it sort of dampens the falls for us to know that we can profit from them. Okay, thank you.